Eholano.
Mr. Wrong, man.
Abia.
Let me tell you who I be again. All I want is your love. All I need is your love.
So God has established marriage for our welfare and enjoyment. Marriage makes sacred the union between a man and a woman.
Baby, come on, go ahead. Baby, baby, come on, go ahead.
Asanwa, you are too fine. For your matter, I ready to shoe shine. Before my daughter would engine, in Anuku Igbo come so baragi pigeon. Imarama, I need it to fly. Able the handwork of the Most High. Anything no koro here, relax.
I've never seen my sister this happy. They're constantly laughing. Those of you who have planned a wedding know how stressful it can be to plan a wedding, but they really made the best of it. Whether it's their many dancing competitions as they picked out their wedding songs, or the jokes that went back and forth with them as they shopped for their new place, you can really tell that they enjoy each other's company. So I'm so grateful to Kougo, my new brother. Thank you so much for all that you do. So cheers to the latest couple in town.
Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You need a shoulder to lean on, nekwa shoulder.
With authority invested upon me by God and the church, I declare you husband and wife.
Amen.
All I need is your love. All I want is your love. All I need is your love. Baby, baby, come on, go ahead. Baby, baby, come on, go ahead. From the very first day that I met this girl, she just they make my head they swell. This girl go lead I am man to hell. I am man to hell. Baby, why your love they make you just the wire. You just they set my soul on fire. Baby, I swear you're my heart desire. Baby, cool temper. And all the things you do they enter for my mentor.
We have come to the second phase of this ceremony today, and we want to thank you so much for the day that you have made. Thank you, eternal God, for raising a new couple for which we are all witnesses today.
Again, oh my little baby, suffer. I saw why hula level up in me. All the way, Mr. Wrong, man.
Abia.
Go snack in my mama. All the one way,